Hello guys, welcome to episode 3 of Build a Boat for Treasure. So, as I said, I'm not going to be doing an episode 5. Only if you guys, I would do an episode 5 if you guys like and subscribe. I know I've said that like a million times now in episode 2, but this episode is all about trying to win. So I'm only going to do this the first time. Right, so let's get into it. So, I know you guys, I'm building the same boat. So, as you can see, I'm getting used to it. I'm building the boat a bit faster. So, I'm going to try to be very, very careful on with the boat. Because if I be so silly and I mess up everything, right? So I really need to concentrate. So episode 4 is going to be a bit worse than episode 3. Because in episode 4, I know it's where it's going to get very boring. So I'm so sorry for you guys. I feel so bad for you. But soon I will... So episode 3 is all about trying to finish. I've said that once, but just to let you guys remind that I'm doing something very important. So, I'm gonna do this. I'm going to do episode 6, same as episode 5. Like and subscribe. But I'm definitely not doing it in episode 7. Because right now we're only up to episode 3. And I really have to say, I really do not want to run out of blocks. So, I'm trying to be so careful as I possibly can. So I'm going to place. Oh, there's only 7 of these left. Right, so there's 4 left. So, as you guys can see, I'm going to have to use this. I know it doesn't match, guys, don't blame me. And I know I'm spending a lot of time and I'm wasting a lot of time. That's because I'm so busy and it's so hard. Oh, kidding me. I'll use this for now. Right there. Right, so. Right, so now I'm going to place 1, So that's in. So now we're going to do the walls. If I can. You know what? I'll just launch the boat for now. Since it's not very good, I'll just launch the boat. Right, so we're going to try and finish. I know this doesn't have like any protection at all, but I will manage to do something else. And you guys still have my YouTube outfit? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Right, anyways, I'm wasting a lot of time, so let's get in. I know that was all boring, guys. I'm so sorry, but I have to do what I have to do. Anyways, do you like the smile on my chin? Dude, it looks so... You can't even see the eyes because the hair is literally in the way. But the hair's like... But it's imagine like this. The hair's just in the way, bro. Like, look. The eyes are literally up there. Look, so, you guys, do you see the eyes? Do you see the eyes right there? Because the hair's coming down the end. Also, if you didn't notice, I have like do you know Premium Salad, the YouTuber? He has like that big wings. He had the same one, and a green flavor, of course, down there, and of course the YouTube outfit, which I love to show my Gia, because she is so obsessed with me doing YouTube. So in another video, I will be doing a video with my Gia. I might be doing, but I might not. It depends on how lucky you guys are to subscribe. And then I might record my girlfriend in a video and you can say hi to her. Well, she might not be on speaker, but I'm sure, so she can't shout. Oh no, get on back in the boat! Get on back in the boat! Get back in the boat! Back in the boat, oh my god. So far, I've done pretty well, actually. Whoa, this is scary. Let's see how far we can. So, this is going very well. And also, I'm a royal member. If you didn't know, you might have noticed, but I haven't explained yet. I'm so sorry, but I know the stupid eyes, bro. I don't even know what the eyes are. This is so funny. Oh, my boat's breaking. Oh well. Oh well. Ah! No, my boat. Right there we are. Ah! My boat. Where's my boat? Get on my boat. Ah! No, my boat. Okay, so funny. Ah! My boat! What's my boat doing? What the hell? Bro, I might even get out to that. No, my boat. No. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you next time. And a very good bye.